In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create product bundles on Shopify. Product bundles are a great way to increase sales, improve customer experience, and encourage shoppers to buy multiple products together. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store, look at the left side menu and click on Apps. Next, click on Shopify App Store to explore apps that can help you create bundles for your products. In the search bar, type bundle or product bundle. You'll see several bundle apps designed for Shopify stores. Take a moment to review the apps, check ratings and features, and choose the one that best fits your store needs. Once you've selected an app, click on it to open the details page. Now click Install to add the bundle app to your Shopify store. Shopify may ask you to approve permissions before continuing, so confirm the installation. After the app is installed, follow the setup instructions provided by the app. Most bundle apps will guide you through creating your first product bundle step by step. You can now choose which products you want to include in the bundle, set bundle pricing or discounts, and customize how the bundle appears on your product pages. Once your bundle setup is complete, click Save or Enable to make the bundle live on your store. Finally, preview your store and test the bundle to make sure customers can add the group products to their cart correctly. Product bundles can help increase average order value and make shopping easier for your customers. And that's it. You've successfully created a product bundle on Shopify. Thanks for watching.